We all have days we want to remember. A breakthrough at work, a quiet evening walk, a frustrating meeting, a small joy we almost forgot by bedtime. But most of us never write them down. Not because we don't want to, but because the friction of starting is just too high. What if your AI companion could simply listen to how your day went, analyze your mood, summarize the emotional arc of your week, and even illustrate it as a cute chibi character? So your memories become something you actually want to revisit? That's Chibi Diary, a concierge agent built with Google ADK, MCP, and Vertex AI. Let me show you how it works. Before diving in, why build a multi-agent system? Couldn't a single prompt do all this? The answer is separation of concerns. Each agent owns exactly one job. The capture agent validates and cleans your raw diary entry, including blocking prompt injection attacks. The mood analysis agent runs deep sentiment analysis, scoring emotions from 1 to 10. The Chibi Illustrator agent translates that emotional data into a visual prompt and calls an MCP server to generate a real chibi image using Imagen 3. And the memory agent stores everything in SQLite, retrieves your mood trends, streaks, and monthly recaps, then surfaces a personalized insight back to you. Each agent receives the previous agent's output as structured context. This pipeline architecture makes every stage independently testable, replaceable, and debuggable, which matters when you're building something you'll actually trust with your personal reflections. At the top is the Orchestrator, implemented as a workflow using Google ADK 2.x. It runs the 4 agents in sequence, passing a shared session state between them. The MCP server, built with FastMCP, runs as a subprocess with stdio transport. The Chibi Illustrator agent connects to it via MCP toolset, calls the generate_chibi tool, and receives back a local PNG file path. Security is built into the pipeline from the start. The capture agent runs an input sanitizer that strips HTML, truncates oversized inputs, and detects prompt injection and SQL injection attempts, logging every suspicious event to an in-memory audit trail. Let me run this live inside Google Antigravity, the agentic IDE that made this entire build possible. I'll enter a sample diary entry. The orchestrator kicks off the pipeline. Watch each agent run in sequence. Here's the generated chibi, a small illustrated character that captures the emotional tone of today's entry. This is a real Imagen 3 output, not a placeholder. And here's the memory agent recalling this week's mood trend from SQLite, showing the emotional arc across entries. The entire system was built spec-driven inside Antigravity. This Gemini.md file is the single source of truth, describing every agent's behavior, tool contracts, and security requirements. 59 tests cover every layer, from unit tests and security checks to end-to-end pipeline evaluation, pass rate 100%. The project ships with a production Docker file, cloud build config, and a single command deploy script to Google Cloud Run. 5 of the 6 core concepts demonstrated: multi-agent ADK, MCP server, security features, anti-gravity, and deployability. Chibi Diary started as a question. What if an AI actually helped you reflect, not just respond? It became a multi-agent system that listens, analyzes, illustrates, and remembers, one diary entry at a time. Thank you for watching.